Well, here we are on day 5. So funny how she's feeding these babies right now. Had to get some video. Definitely seen some progress and certainly some strength in these little guys and girls. They're starting to venture a few feet away from mom on their own. If you believe it or not, they crawl. And they're holding their head up much better. So their spine is strengthening. And oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, Mama's going to clean up. We were just going to go outside and play frisbee with Mowgli and Maisie, but puppies needed one more feeding before we go out. Oh, so good Mama, Maisie. Mm-hmm. Oh, oh, oh. She doesn't know where to stand. She won't be able to feed them sitting down for long. It does help them gain access a little bit, but oh, okay. Well, she said that's enough of that. Can't imagine what it's like having 10 little mouths and 40 paws pushing against you. Don't know what that's like. Don't care to know either. So, let's get some of their little actions. Yes, Mowgli, we're gonna go outside. Here's my Mowgli. Hi, we're gonna go outside and play. Yeah. Are you pretty? Are you beautiful? You are just beautiful. Yeah. We'll give Maisie a couple minutes here because she's gonna want to come out with us. Oh, you're smiling. You have such a nice smile. Yes, hi Mowgli. You want to kiss the camera? Yeah. Aw, you're so pretty, Maisie. Such pretty babies. Oh, that was Mowgli. Sorry for the camera shake. Oh, there's a cute little butt. Oh, that's a cute little butt. Oh, oh, look at all the cute little butts. Oh my goodness. Gonna do some acrobatic kind of stuff here. Maisie, your puppies are so cute. I can't believe how big they've gotten. Oh, they're great. Yeah. Okay, we'll catch up in another day or two.